Here's a quick video on how to repair your Texas Instruments PA2 Plus calculator. This is basically what happens when you use it and there's a section of the display that is not working, or like multiple sections that are repeating across the screen. Basically just any lines on the LCD that are broken and dead. What you need for this is your calculator, a tool to open it, and a heat gun. I use this. It's a little heat gun that I bought. But you can use a hairdryer too. A hairdryer should work. So what you want to do is you want to crack your calculator open. This one I've already got open, but you'll see that it's got a seam along the edge. Some of them come apart with screws. This particular one I was able to open the seam with a butter knife just by sticking it in the seam and prying. And then once I got the back off, what you have here is you've got this little ribbon cable. And it's basically got these carbon contacts that attach to the metal contacts here. And over time, the glue in this strip breaks apart and the carbon contacts no longer make proper contact. So you'll notice that if you give power to this calculator and you push on here, some of your lines on the display will come back. So an easy way to get around this is basically by heating up this particular section where the ribbon cable attaches to the board with a hairdryer or a heat gun. Mine, obviously, you can see there's a little bit of damage. It sort of bubbled when I did it because I had it a bit too hot, but it still worked. Putting it back together, you can see that the display works. I will go ahead and put it back together and I'll show you in a second. This is the calculator reassembled. I'm going to go ahead and put in the battery. And I'll show you that the screen is now working. There we go. So what happens in this process is you're basically reheating the conductive material and the glue, the adhesive, between the metal contacts and the carbon contacts on the ribbon cable, and then that allows for a proper connection. Anyway, worth a shot so that you don't have to junk your old calculators.